Jason Collins let me use his other radio-controlled airplane because I knew you were an expert in rocketry, but I didn't know whether you'd ever flown a radio-controlled plane. Have you?
I've seen them, but no, I've never flown one.
Well, you have the part here that the pilot uses. And by moving these little controls, you send a radio signal out through this antenna, which is picked up by the antenna of the airplane. Even when it's way up in the air, the signal comes in here, goes through the receiver and finally to servos, so it controls various parts of the airplane. Move one of those controls and watch what happens. See what happened?
Yeah,
that
so
makes the tail go this way, right, and makes the nose move. I'll try the other one. That makes the tail go up and down.
Elevator things.
Right, so he can control it. Then, of course, at the other end is the engine with a propeller that pulls the airplane through the air. So I think Colin has flown, his father told me, 10 times as a solo.
Wow.
So let's let him use it, and he knows what he's doing.
Yeah, okay.
Okay? You want to give him the radio control? Colin, you all set?
Yeah.
Okay. Good luck. Come on. Ah, there he goes, soaring away into the wild blue yonder.
How high it's going.
Yeah. Really very good, isn't he? Now he's moving the control to the left. Okay, here he comes right at us now. Whoa. He really is very good. More fun than rocketry, right?
I don't know about that. Rocketry's pretty fun too.